So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-clear ng search history sa ating Facebook account. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ang ating Facebook app or yung ating Facebook account. And then after nyan guys, mula dito sa pinakang newsfeed ng ating Facebook, itap lang natin yung search. And dito guys, lalabas na yung search history ng ating Facebook account. So kung gusto nyong ma-delete or mabura yung inyong search history, ang gagawin nyo lang is itap nyo yung see all na nandito sa my right side. And dito guys, lalabas na talaga lahat ng mga na-search ninyo or na-view ninyo dito sa search history. So kung gusto nyo siyang tanggalin isa-isa, tap nyo lang yung X button na nandito sa right side niya. And kita nyo naman guys, unti-unti nang nabubura or nawawala yung search history natin dito sa Facebook. So kung gusto nyo namang mabura lahat, pwede nyo itap yung clear all na nandito naman sa upper right corner. So tap natin yung clear all. And then confirm lang natin. So clear all na natin siya. And ayan guys, kung makikita nyo, nothing to see here. So sabihin na clear na yung search history natin sa Facebook and wala nang makikita dyan na search history. So ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-clear ng search history sa ating Facebook account. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.